What is that? Is that the new Nintendo Wii? Yes, sirree. It's a gift for the whole family. We just bought it. I'm gonna play it here, but already tested it in the room. There's the sensor bar.
Hi.
And the players are no couch potatoes.
Yes.
This is the Wii. They're the kids falling in line. You can play up to 10 feet. Is it that right, mommy? Yeah, you're right. Ko, nainip na isa. Niel!
Oh.
Okay, si Daniel naman, si Daniel. Put the wrist strap, ha?
Di pa ginalapit sa TV.
There's no need to go near the TV, ha? You can play 3 feet.
Wait lang.
Sige, then you teach him na. Siya na, marunong naman yan.
Hindi niya alam kung ano sabi.
Okay. Sige. Bo. Sige, serve. Backhand.
Ang ganito din niya, di ba yung tsura mo?
Backhand nga naman.
Yun ang
Layo kayo sa upuan, sa paligid.
Ang ganito din yan.
Wala pinipindot din yan.
Hindi, parang skipping.
Ito na, kain na niya.
Good. Parang...
Oh, galit!
Naka-score ba? Naka-score?
Opo, team. Anis. Ay. Anis naman. Kung sino ba nalo sa Pauleta?
Mommy spaghetti and dinner salad. Wow, what a great match.
Anis,
And the cake.